Hey guys, welcome back. We are getting ready to make funnel cake, but with a twist. We are using Jiffy Mix, the actual honey Jiffy Mix, and we're going to put a honey butter on it as well as powdered sugar. But before we begin, guys, do me a favor, take a second and go ahead and subscribe. Pop that bell so you'll enable notifications. This is a quick, simple, and easy recipe, but a fun one. Let's get busy. Okay guys, so we're going to actually make the batter according to the package directions. As I said, this is the Jiffy Mix I am using. I'm using the new one, the honey one. So we just want to go in with that. It does call for a 1/3 cup of milk. I'm going to use buttermilk. I'm actually using buttermilk in it. So we put our buttermilk in there as well as 1 whole egg. You want to mix this really good. Then we're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to stir it again. That's going to give it what they call a maximum crown on it, meaning when it goes into that hot oil, it's going to rise to its maximum capabilities. Now guys, for our funnel, you want to make sure you don't have one that's too wide. This is a little bit less than 1/2 inch going across here in diameter if you were to measure it, and that's going to be the perfect size. So while our skillet is getting hot and our batter is resting, let's go ahead and make our honey butter. Okay, so for our honey butter, all we need to do is take just a couple of tablespoons of butter. We're going to get that melted. We're going to just melt it in the microwave. Don't forget to check the description for all the ingredients. We have our melted butter. You know me, I'm just going to eyeball this. Not going to measure it, but I will have the exact measurements in the description for you guys. So we just want to make sure this is well blended. And that's it, guys. That's how you make your honey butter. It's real easy, real simple. Just want to make sure it's well combined. Okay, so it has sat for about 5 minutes here, more or less. And I'm gonna go in because I want it to be more runny than this. We want it to be like a pancake batter. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more of the buttermilk, a little bit at a time until I get the right consistency. As that's what you want. You want it nice and runny. Okay, now we're gonna put it in a measuring cup. You need something with a spout on it. Something with a spout on it. Okay guys, I think our skillet is nice and hot. Now this is where you want to be careful. You must put your finger over the hole first. Make sure it's tight. You don't want any seeping out until you're ready. You're going to have to hold this, so make sure you have a good grip. Then go ahead and pour your batter in the funnel. Once you've got it in the funnel and you're ready, you see I dropped the piece there. Go ahead and you just kind of want to swirl it around in a pattern. No necessarily rhyme or reason there. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And make sure you kind of fill up all the holes that it's completely covered through. That's what you want, guys. That's what you want. And we're going to let it cook on this side. Then we'll get it turned over. Okay, guys, we are all done, and I do apologize. My camera was not on when I was turning it over and taking it out, and I had no idea until I got ready to move over here to the counter. So this is our finished product. I'm just going to drizzle a little of this honey butter right over the top of it, guys. Just like that. Just a little bit of it. And then we're going to go in and dust it with our powdered sugar. You can put any toppings you want on it. Dust it as much or as little as you'd like. And we are all done. Doesn't that look amazing, guys? Doesn't that look amazing? Oh my goodness, so crispy and crunchy. Thank you all for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen today. And until next time, be blessed.